So today, me and Anna are gonna go to the mountains. I have a route plan that's just slightly different, so I'm really excited. We were contemplating earlier today whether they are gravel roads or whether they are paved. So fingers crossed they are paved roads that we'll be traveling on today. So I'll show you the route that I've picked out. It starts in Dawsonville and it goes in a loop or kind of a horseshoe to Dahlonega. We normally ride Suches, which is right north of this route that I have planned. So we start in Dawsonville and we go around this loop. Really excited to try this. Anna suggested that these may be service roads, unpaved, but they don't look like it. So let's go check it out, and hopefully we find some new roads to ride. We're off on the ride. What I didn't expect is losing cell service and GPS not quite picking up. From the map, it didn't look like there were that many turns. Honestly, I didn't have time to completely memorize everything. I did it the morning of and thought it was a simple enough path. Either way, I am loving these new roads.
So today's goal is to get lost. So Laura has planned a very loose route for us to go on, and we're going to be going on some North Georgia backcountry roads that we've never ridden. Not sure where it is, kind of Google Earth mapped it, and it looks really fun. So we're off to the country. So we're at a church parking lot. Signal is not the best up here. The road I really wanted to take us on, it's gravel. Unfortunately, it sucks. Anna was right. I hate that I was right. I absolutely hate it. I was like, no. Maybe it's just like GPS and there's trees covering it. We can't see it. But damn, oh well. So fuck it, off to the winery it is. Yes. Okay, so I have no idea where I'm going. And it looks like a one-way road. So, well, one-lane road. We'll figure this out. We're in like backcountry now, and there's like dogs running around, and it's gonna be interesting. But hey, at least it's paved for now. That's always good, right? Church. I mean, we're on J Bridge.
Oh,
What?
we overshot it a little bit. Cause look, we're there and it's there.
Oh. So how do we get... Okay, so if we take a right...
Being a pain in the ass, so directions are.
Okay, so then... Where the fuck did we overshoot it? I have no idea. Okay, so if we take a left, and then our first left, it should bring us into Montelucci.
Okay, let's just do that.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Alright, that was fun though. I
Oh,
like that.
yeah,
Cool.
I liked it.
And like, Montelucci doesn't sound so like.
Jackass country hillbilly shit. Are you cool with hanging out here for a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
So we made it to a winery. We made it to Montelucci. Get lost and get found at a winery.
Yeah, I didn't even realize that we were in the vicinity.
So we did make it to the winery and found these places. Can't say we're too lost.